For the judiciary, what we are doing right now, we are undertaking election dispute resolution training. My senior colleagues are undertaking that training for the next few weeks. And the Chief Justice has also been leading a multi-agency meetings with under the umbrella of the National Council on the Administration of Justice. That is the second point that we are doing. We are also hiring new staff. New magistrates have been hired. I was one of the newest lots to be hired by the judiciary. New judges are being taken in. New staff, around 500.
We are always prepared for any eventuality. So whether we are, when we are approaching these elections, we are well prepared. We are even on the process of training our officers. Now for the enemies, whatever we can call the disorderliness. We are trying to train our officers on how best we can handle riots, anti-riots, and so on.
Now, voters are very mischievous because this is the era of money. This is what has been happening. A member of parliament or an aspirant comes to a particular village, and gold right now is something we call the ID. The ID is gold right now, or the identity document that was used by a voter. So a Mheshimiwa comes and purchases exactly what Bishop told us about the story of, is it Abimelech? Yeah. They come and get money and purchase IDs to suppress the voter of opponent A. Now, what do they do with those IDs? They carry these IDs and go to a county huko kwao. And these people, they are registered in the new area. Okay, you're following my story? Yes. This voter knows I'm registered where? In Kirinyaga, isn't it? But because they sold their IDs for a period of 2 months, the politician is smart because they know all I need is to fill a form with the name, particulars, and say transfer voter A to county X. And you'll see those stories a lot in the media. Who will be blamed? IBC. But it's not us. It is the voter themselves. But they will not speak out because it's an electoral offense.
Kuringana na uria tutariirio by those institutions ni kuona kithurano kuria tugikorwo ki mbere itu ni gigukorwo kina waragania no kinyaniru mukinyaniru tondu andu othe ni mehaririirie.
Ithuĩ twaroreria kuringana na uria bururi-ini wikarite na kuringana na uguo twathomithio ni atongoria ngurani mbere twathomithio ni uhoro wa aya metagwa EACC, ni twathomithio ni andu a judiciary, ni twathomithio ni aria marumbuyagia na uhoro wa observers kana kuroria ithurano ria irathie, na ni twathomithio ona maundu megie uria mwena ni wa security.